Hello student, good morning. I hope you are fine. I Neeraj Khare, the science teacher of class 7th. So dear student, today we start chapter 11, transportations in animals and plants. So today's topic is carbon dioxide. It is the produced as the waste product in our body cells during the process of the respiration. This blood is the broken down during the respiration to release energy and the release carbon dioxide as a product. This carbon dioxide is removed from our body by the lungs during the exhalation. Therefore, the lungs alone act as the excretory organs for the removing the waste product carbon dioxide from the body. Sweat. It is the liquid wastage of the body that is the produced by the sweat glands present in our skin. Sweat contain the water, some unwanted salt and urea in very small amount. During the hot summer, we sweat as a lot. This get the evaporate from our body. Transpiration in plant, transpiration of water and minerals. The root of the plants absorb the initial minerals and water from the soil. The root have hair like the structures present on them. These the hair increase the surface area of the roots and hence allow the more amount of absorption. So look at this picture. The root, the plants, root, air, water and soil particles and root hair. So supply for the plants. So from the roots the water and the minerals are transported to the other part of the plant through the special kind of the tissues is called the vascular tissue. There are the two vascular tissues present in the plants, xylem and phloem. So first one is the xylem. Xylem it is the vascular tissues that is the responsible for the transporting the nutrients and the water in the plant. Responsible of xylem, nutrients and water in the plants. The root cells absorb the water and minerals and transport it to the xylem. Xylem carries it to the other part of the unidirectionally without uses of energy. Second one is phloem. Phloem it is the vascular tissues that the transport of the food produced by the leaves to all part of the plants. This flow in the white crystals and the utilized energy. This is known as the translocation. So xylem transportation of water and transportation of food. So H2O and water is formed is the H2O phloem and composition of the cell. Sources of cell is the leaf and sink cell is root. Transpiration. Sometimes not all the water that plants absorb is used by them. Hence, they need to get rid of the excess the water in them. This loss of water in the plants take place through the process of transpiration in which the water evaporate in the atmosphere through the stomata present on the leaves. Stomata are tiny pores present on the leaves that allow the movement of the gases and the water through them. Transpiration results in the absorption of water. As the water from the leaves evaporate, it generates a section pull in the plants that bring the water from the roots upward. Transpiration help in the cooling down the plants. As the water evaporate, it utilizes the heat of the plant and result in cooling of the internal temperature of the plant. So dear student, transpiration help in cooling down the plant. As the water evaporate, it utilize the heat of the plants and result in cooling of the internal temperature of the plants. So water is the observed by the root is a mineral and water. Water travels through the plants and water evaporates from the leaf surface, the stomata, by presence of sunlight and carbon dioxide enter the wild water and the oxygen exit through the leaf and the stomata. So CO2 is the receiving and water and oxygen is the releasing for the leaves in the presence of stomata. So dear, so dear student, today is the complete for the chapter 11. So I send you the PDF file for the exercise. So complete your note copy and send me. Thank you.